Hi everyone, welcome back. And if you happen to be new, I am Sandy. And I am just going to be doing a quick little flip through of my journal collection for the month of October. So I did a Halloween theme, and they all will come with a little fabric tie that they can use to tie close up their journal. But it was a Halloween theme. So I have two of them that are in this kitty cat theme, and they just turned out really darling. So I have a pocket up front and then a tag. I did a little stenciling. This is one of those Z folds. I did a tutorial on how to make these, and I just paper clipped it in so they can decide if they want to glue it in or leave it like that, or they can just stuff it down into a pocket. Have a little Tim Holtz confetti as a paper tab there. Just a couple little decorations. And then fun Halloween paper. This is chock full of fun little surprises for them. And I really like this vellum. This was from Michael's. And then just some fun paper for them to journal on. We got a fun little spooky charm. And then this is some purple dyed paper. The giant paper clip, I did a video on how to make those. And then I did a video on how to make these. And then this is the second half of the signature. So they'll all look very similar, just a little bit different. So I'll just kind of go through quickly. So this is the other kitty cat one. So the charm is going to be different. So this is just a skull right there. Different little tag in there. And then I have the Z fold over here. It's a little different. And then just the pages are a little bit different. We got the treat bag. This one I added just a fun little pumpkin-shaped piece of paper, some little stickers, and the paper clip, and then the cut-aparts, and then another little sticker back here. So there's I think 9 or 10 pages in each of these signatures. So that would be, 9 pages, 36 pages. And then this is the next one. So I had 2 of these, and I love this fabric. It is so cute. This purple, I love purple. And just these pumpkins are adorable. And then this is the fabric tie for these. I thought this went really well with the fabric. Okay, so we have different kind of pocket inside here, the same ruffle. We have the same envelope with the treat bag. Here's the zigzag here. And then we have different kind of vellum in here. We have some green dyed paper. We have the paper clip. And then we have the fun pumpkin stickers. And this one also will have a charm. I'm not sure what I did with the charm, so I got to find that for that one. And then this is the other pumpkin one. So cute. And they feel so good in the hand. I'm really happy with them. And then again, another little tag, some stenciling, the Z pocket. Here's the little charm for this one. It's a giant skull. And then again, we have some different kind of vellum in here. And the treat bag and the paper clip. And then the center of the signature. Little stickers back here. And yeah, so that's that one. It's good to look through these because I need to find that charm for that one. And then the next 2, this was the third fabric, and a couple of my patrons picked this fabric. It's so cute, and this has a creepy hand charm. And then we have the pocket, a little stenciling, the ruffle, the zigzag, the paper clip. And then we have pink envelopes in here. Kind of go with the pink fabric little cobweb sticker. And so I put the treat pack in the middle. There's the creepy hand. And then the sticker. So you can see they're all very similar but different. And then the last one is this cutie here. And again, cute. Love these pink papers. And the same items inside of here. Super cute. Cute little ghost. And some other fun cut-aparts. We got another creepy hand. And then we have the cute little stickers. So yeah, so these are my single signature full-size journals for the month of October. Let me know if you had a favorite fabric that you liked. If you liked the pink or the purple or the kitty cat one. I'd love to know. All right, I will see you all in the next video. Thanks. Bye.